Welcome to English Language Academy. A Day Without Technology. A Fun Listening Tale. Chapter 1. The Challenge. It was a sunny morning in Greenfield Town. The birds chirped outside, and children laughed as they played in the park. But inside the Johnson house, 12-year-old Mia and her 10-year-old brother, Liam, were glued to their devices. "Mia, breakfast is ready," called Mom. "Just a second," Mia shouted, not looking up from her phone. Dad sighed. "Kids, come to the table now. We need to talk." Reluctantly, Mia and Liam dragged themselves to the table. Mom set down a plate of pancakes. "We have a family challenge," she said with a smile. "A challenge?" Liam's eyes lit up. "Like a game?" "Sort of," Dad said. "It's called A Day Without Technology." Mia groaned. "No phones? No TV? What are we supposed to do all day?" "You'll see," Mom said. "We think it'll be fun." "And whoever lasts the longest gets a special prize," added Dad. "What prize?" asked Liam. Dad smiled mysteriously. "You'll have to wait and find out." Chapter 2. Morning Adventures. After breakfast, the family put all their devices in a box. "Goodbye, phone," Mia said dramatically as she placed it inside. The first hour was tough. "I'm so bored," Liam whined. "Why don't you play outside?" suggested Mom. Mia and Liam went into the backyard. At first they kicked a soccer ball half-heartedly, but soon they started a game of tag. The sound of their laughter filled the air. "I forgot how much fun this is," Mia said, out of breath. "Yeah," Liam agreed. "And we didn't even need a video game." Chapter 3. Creative Discoveries. By lunchtime, the kids were hungry. After eating sandwiches, Mom brought out craft supplies. "What are we supposed to do with this?" asked Liam, holding up a glue stick. "Anything you want," said Mom. "Be creative." Mia started painting a picture of the backyard, while Liam decided to build a robot out of cardboard boxes and toilet paper rolls. "Look at my masterpiece," Mia said proudly, holding up her colorful painting. "And meet Robo Liam," Liam announced, making his robot walk across the table. Mom and Dad clapped. "You two are so talented," Dad said. Chapter 4. The Great Bake-Off. In the afternoon, Mom suggested baking cookies. "Can we make chocolate chip?" Liam asked eagerly. "Of course," said Mom. Mia measured the flour while Liam cracked the eggs. Soon, the kitchen was filled with the sweet smell of cookies baking. "These are the best cookies ever," Mia said, taking a bite. "Because we made them ourselves," Liam added with a grin. Chapter 5. Evening Stories. As the sun set, the family gathered in the living room. "Let's tell stories," suggested Dad. "Can I go first?" asked Mia. She made up a story about a magical forest. Liam followed with a tale about a superhero who could turn invisible. "Those were great," Mom said. "Now let's read a book together." They chose an old adventure book and took turns reading aloud. By the time they finished a few chapters, everyone was smiling. Chapter 6. The Winner. At bedtime, Mom and Dad announced the winner of the challenge. "The prize goes to all of us," Dad said, "because we spent the whole day together, having fun." "Best prize ever," said Mia, hugging her brother. As they went to bed, Mia and Liam agreed that a day without technology wasn't so bad after all. They couldn't wait to try it again soon. The end. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.